Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how we can use this BLIOT R10A gateway as a Modbus master to read the data from Modbus slave devices. Okay, so this is our Modbus slave devices, or you can say this is Modbus serial device which is providing data to this R10 gateway. We have used this gateway as a Modbus master, so it will read the data from this Modbus slave device. Okay, this is the BLIOT R10 Industrial 4G Router Gateway, and this gateway is brought to you by the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited. Okay, they are the official distributor of the BLIOT products in India. Now in this video we will see that how we can connect this gateway to any Wi-Fi. Okay, as you can see here, I have connected my antenna here. Okay, and the plug of the antenna is connected here. As you can see here, Wi-Fi is written. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to connect my R10A gateway to my Wi-Fi. Okay, and I will remove then my LAN cable. Okay, and then I want to program my gateway using the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so let's see how we can connect this R10A gateway to our Wi-Fi, and then we will see how we can open the configuration page of this gateway wirelessly. Okay, so let's open the web page here, a configuration web page of this gateway. As you guys already know, the default username is admin and there is no password by default. Okay, so we will press login here. Now here you can see the network. Okay, network setting and the Wi-Fi. So what I want is I want to connect this gateway to my local Wi-Fi. So I will click on Wi-Fi here, and you can see here MediaTek MT76X8802.11BGN. Okay, so this is the wireless card of this gateway. Okay, so what we will do is to connect with Wi-Fi, we will click here on scan. So it will scan the available Wi-Fi network around this gateway. Okay, and then it will show you the result. Now I want to connect with this Capgemini_4G Wi-Fi network. So you have to click here join network, and then you have to specify the password. So I am specifying the password here. Okay, and then you can click on submit. Okay, once you do submit, then you have to press on save button. Okay, and you can see interface has 8 pending changes. So we have configured our Wi-Fi address, but the configuration has to be downloaded in this gateway. So for that we have to click here save and apply. Otherwise you can see here unsaved changes. Here also we can click save and apply. So it will download the configuration into this gateway, and then we are able to connect this gateway to my Wi-Fi, and then through wireless connectivity we can open the web page of this gateway and we can program our gateway as per our requirement. So you can see here associated station, this is connected, and you can see signals. Okay, now if you go to status and overview here you can see IPv4 is upstream. Okay, network, and you can see wireless network client and the Capgemini_4G, and here is the IP address of my wireless card for this gateway. Okay, right now I am using 192.168.3.1 IP address to connect with this gateway because the LAN port has IP address of 192.168.3.1. Okay, but the wireless having the IP address of 192.168.1.12. So if I remove my LAN cable from here, okay, so LAN cable is removed. Now you can see the LAN LED is stop blinking. Okay, now we know the IP address of our wireless card, so we will copy the IP address here and then we will paste it here, and then we will hit enter. Okay, so we are able to open the configuration page of this gateway. Okay, so as you can see there is no LAN connectivity with my gateway. Okay, so we can open configuration page of this gateway using the wireless connectivity. As you can see in the URL, I have used 192.168.1.12 IP address, okay, which is associated with my Wi-Fi card. And if you scroll down, then you can see Capgemini underscore 4G client is connected. Okay, Wi-Fi is connected, and the IP address to connect with this gateway is available on the system overview page, and here you can see 192.168.1.12. So I hope this is clear to you that how we can connect this gateway to any wireless network. Now if you are connected with wireless network, then also you can use the internet for your gateway. Okay, now my Capgemini 4G underscore network is connected with internet, so I can publish the MQTT data to my any cloud platform. Okay, so we will see that in the future videos, that after connecting with my Wi-Fi, okay, how can I publish the data over the cloud? Okay, so I'm already connected with my Modbus serial devices. My gateway can read Modbus serial data. Now what we want to do is, I want my gateway to read Modbus serial data and publish the data over MQTT protocol. Okay, to publish the data over MQTT, or you can say on MQTT cloud broker, we need internet. So I am already connected with my Wi-Fi. Okay, so I am having internet in this gateway, so I am able to publish my data over the internet to any cloud MQTT broker. So we will see that in the next video. This video is all about how to connect your R10A gateway with Wi-Fi network. Okay, so you don't need LAN cable for your configuration every time. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can ping me on the WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere, and I'll answer you as soon as possible. And this gateway is brought to you by the Augmetic Technologies Private Limited. They are the official distributor of the BL IoT products in India. You can visit their website, you can call them. They will provide you the detailed information of this gateway. Okay, if you need some technical assistance also, they will provide you the technical assistance. If you want to buy this gateway in a single unit or in a bulk, then also you can contact them. You can visit their website and you can order this kind of BL IoT gateways from Augmetic Technologies Private Limited. So we will see you in the next video. In the next video, we will see that how we can convert our Modbus serial data to MQTT data, and how we can publish Modbus serial data to any MQTT cloud broker, and we will read that data in MQTT Explorer. Okay, so we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.